Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Airtel Thanks app and signing in with the mobile number linked to your broadband. Once done, verify OTP quickly so you don't time out. This secures your account and shows live bill data. Make sure to grant the app permission for network access so bill details update. Next, navigate straight to the Bills or Payments tab where broadband accounts appear. This is the entry point for payment and account controls, so proceed to select your broadband line now. After selecting your broadband account, review the outstanding amount, due date, and any plan details listed. This avoids paying the wrong balance. If a coupon or cashback offer is visible, apply it now so the discount reflects before payment. Choose your payment method, UPI, card, net banking, or Airtel Payments Bank wallet, and confirm card details or UPI handle. Once you tap Pay, authenticate the transaction with UPI approval or OTP. Stay on the confirmation screen until you see the successful payment message. When payment completes, save the transaction ID and confirmation screen. This proves payment if reconciliation is needed. Once done, return to Account or Bills to ensure the balance shows zero or updated status. Payments sometimes take a few minutes to reflect. If the app reports failure, first confirm bank authorization and that you use the correct UPI or card. Then update the app or retry on stable internet. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.